Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to install a barrel onto my upper receiver, and what I have is a M5 Aero Precision M5 E1 actually enhanced M5 upper receiver, and I'm going to install a barrel using my Nomar vice blocks. Well, let's get started. Okay, so I put my upper receiver in my table vise. Notice that I did not use the pins, and that's what I recommend. I recommend you not install the pins. Just put the Nomar blocks on, vice blocks on, and then put the upper receiver in the table vise. There's lots of people who are using just the bottom half and putting the upper receiver with the pins upright. I suggest that you don't do that, because you will damage your upper receiver if you do it that way. You're better off clamping it in sideways like this, and that way you don't get that, you don't put a lot of twisting force on the upper receiver's mounts. So that's what I suggest that you do, is you use it this way, you put it this way. So, and I'm going to use my Wheeler multi-tool here to put my barrel nut on and torque it down to about, I'm going to torque it to about 40 foot-pounds, and we'll see how it goes. So now I'm going to remove the barrel nut. There it is. And I'll get my barrel and we'll get started. So here's my barrel. I'm going to insert it with the pin. Notice there's a pin right there. I'm going to insert this with the pin aligned. Another thing you want to make sure is that the barrel is all the way in. And now I will put my barrel nut on. Now before I put it on and tighten it up, I'm going to put a little bit of this anti-seize lubricant on the barrel nut. Just a little, not go crazy with it, but just a little bit around the threads here. Just so that it doesn't seize up. If in case I want to get the barrel off later, it's going to be much easier. This stuff is good up to about 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not going to break down with the when the barrel heats up. So I'm going to use some of that. Okay, when you install your barrel nut, and you have to use an attachment to your torque wrench, you don't want to have it like this, because if you put the attachment straight out, your measurement's going to be off. Your torque is going to be off. It's not going to be correct. It has to be at a 90-degree angle. That's the only way you're going to get the proper torque. And that's it. And that's how you install your barrel nut. Next, I'm going to install the gas block on my next video. Be sure to like and subscribe.